Hi everybody, my name is Leslie and this is a quick video on vocabulary for makeup. This is a quick video for makeup. So this was requested by one of my students in Korea. So here we go. First, of course, there is foundation. So foundation is something we put on all our face. Then of course we have lipstick and we apply lipstick on our lips. So we have face, lips. Then we have blush that we apply on our cheek bones. So these are our cheeks and this is the bone, so cheek bones. And this is a brush and we use the brush to apply the makeup. Then we have an eyeliner. So we use the eyeliner to put a line on our eyes. And we also have eyebrow liner, lip liner. So anything that creates a line is called a liner. Of course, mascara that we apply on our eyelashes. In Canada, we usually just say eyelid. We don't separate between one and two eyelids. So eyelid means the top of the eye, what protects the eye. Finally, concealer. And we put concealer under our eyes and we often dab the makeup. As I said, this video is specially made for a student and I am listening to your suggestions. So let me know, what would you like to learn? What vocabulary do you need? How may I help you? Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Take care, enjoy.